Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear friends, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is height and distance. And in previous class we take and solve some important questions related to that topic. Okay. Now, dear friends, in today's class we also take and solve some important questions based on the topic height and distance. Okay, dear student, which is very important for you and your upcoming examinations. Now we take a very important questions related to that topic, means the height, the question based on the height and distance. Let's see. And the question is as observed from the top, at the top, as observed at the top of a lighthouse, as observed at the top of a lighthouse 100 meter above sea level. Okay, which is 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter above sea level. The angle of depression of a ship, the angle of depression of a ship sailing directly towards it, sailing directly towards it. Okay, changes from 30 degree to 45 degree. Changes from 30 degree to 45, 30 degree to 45 degree. Okay, find the distance traveled by the ship. Find the distance traveled by the ship Find the distance traveled by the ship to during the period of observation. During the period of observation. Now let's see its solution. Okay, dear friend, this is the very important question. Now let's see what is the process, steps to solve that question. Let's see. First, as observed at the top of a lighthouse. First of all, let us take AB with a lighthouse 100 meter above the sea level, which is 100 meter above from the sea level, and there are two positions of the ship travel towards the lighthouse. First position is take as C and final position is D, and from there the angle of depression is to be changed, slightly changed from 30 to 45. From there this is 30, so this is also equal to 30, and From there, this is 45, so this is also equal to 45 degree. And we find the distance covered by the ship during the period of observation. Means let us take the distance, required distance BD, CD. Let the required distance CDB D unit, D meter or unit, okay, we take as meter, D meter, which we find for that question. Okay, dear friends. Now, first, we also find that distance AD. We take AD is equal to x meter. Let x meter. Now, first of all, dear students, we take triangle BDA. Okay. Now, in triangle BDA, this is perpendicular base in tangent. We apply the tan rule. So tan 45 is equal to perpendicular upon base is what x. Now the value of tan 45 is 1 is equal to 100 upon x. That is the value of x is what 100 meters. Okay. So that distance AD, that is equal to 100 meter. That is equal to 100 meter, which we calculate by the concept of trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now what I do? Now we take triangle BCA. Now in triangle BCA, so now we are applying tan rule. Tangent tan 30, perpendicular is 100 and base is D plus x, that is D plus x. Now we put the value. Now look, now we take equation 1 now, and we take equation number 2. Now we take equation 1 and 2. We get tan 30 is what 1 upon root 3, 100 right as it is upon D plus the value of x is 100. Now we do their cross multiplication. So D plus 100 is equal to 100 under root 3. Now D is equal to 100 under root 3 minus 100. We take 100 as common. So root 3 minus 1. And you know that the value of root 3 is what? Now look, so D is equal to 1.732 minus 1, that is 100 into 0.732, that is we multiply by 100 to 73.2 to 73.2 meter. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, dear students, so in this way you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. we take a very important question of your syllabus, and the question is, from a window from a window 15 meters high above the ground, 15 meters high above the ground, in a street, in a street, comma, the angle of elevation and depression, the angle of elevation and depression, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and the foot of the top and the foot of another house of another house on the opposite side of the opposite side of the street are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the opposite house. Find the height of the opposite house. Find the height of the opposite house is find the height of the opposite house, and you take the value of root 3 is 1.732. Okay, dear student, this is the question. Dear student, this is a very important questions related to that chapter, that is height and distance. So please concentrate on this question. This is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, now let's see. Look, from a window 15 meter high above the ground, first of all, we draw a horizontal surface. This is the street. Okay, now one house is that side and one house is that side on the street. This is the another house. This is the big house and it's fine, take as H, and that one is, let us take maybe C, D. D is the position of the window. Observer C at that point, on that position, from a window 15 meter high above the ground. From the ground, the height of that window is what? 15 meter is given according to question. We see observer C from that point, that window, and the angle of elevation and depression of the top and the foot of the another house. B be the top of the another house and A be the foot of the another house, which is situated at the opposite sides of the street in front of that house. Okay. Elevation is 30 degree. Okay. Now look, from there, first of all we join them. CD. We take point A. From the top, the angle of elevation is 30 degree and the depression foot of the house 45 degree. From there, this one is 45. This is 45, so this is also equal to 45 degree. This is also equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now CD is equal to A from figure, and let us take AC is equal to X meter. AC is same as D. This is also equal to it, and this is 50. So this is also equal to 15 meters. So this is the required figure. Okay. Now let's see its solution. Let AB is equal to H meter, which we required, which we find here, and AC is equal to D is equal to X meter, we take as, and CD is equal to A, each equal to 15 meter respectively. Okay. Now look. First we take triangle BDE. Now in triangle BDE, dear student, this is 15 now, and whole we take as H. So this is what? H minus 15. This is what? H minus 15. In triangle BD, 10, 30, because the perpendicular base coming tangent. So 10 perpendicular is what? H minus 15. Base is what? D, that is X. Now the value of 10, 30 is what? 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to X. Now we do the cross multiplication, that is X is equal to H minus 15. We take equation number first. Okay. Now we again take the triangle DAC. Okay, look. Now again in triangle DAC, we apply the tangent rule. Look, so according to that concept, so this is 10, 45 degree. Perpendicular is what? CD. Base is what? AC. Okay. And dear student, you know that CD is what? 15 meter. This is the height of the window from the surface of the earth, which is equal to what? 15 meter upon AC was X. That is, we put as X. Now you know that the value of 1045 is what? 1. So that is, this implies that 1 is equal to 15 upon X. that is x is equal to 15 meter. We take equation number first. X is equal to 15 meter. Now what I do? Now using equation 1 and 2. Now using equation 1 and 2, now using equation 1 and 2, this is 2, this is 2 equation, okay. Now we just put the value of x in equation first. 15 now we simplify them. Minus 15 root 3. Now look. Okay. Now from there, just a minute. Now from there, we do the rationalization. That is 15 root 3 upon 3, 3 5 the 15. So that is h is equal to 15, sorry, h minus 15 is equal to 5 root 3 is there. 5 root 3 is there na? Now we transfer that side. Now look. So h is equal to 5 root 3 minus transfer that side plus 15. Now we have the value of, in that question the value of root 3 is given, that is 1.732. So now just we put the value. Plus 15. Now 8 8.66 plus 5. Now we adding them to 15 plus 8.660 is equal to 23.660. That is 23.0 meter. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, students. So in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is a very important question, and according to that question, you can solve so many questions of your NCERT exercise based on height and distance. First, dear student, you do more and more practices each and every question which we discuss in that class and also in previous classes. In that question, first of all, we take triangle BDE and we apply the tangent rule. Okay, that is tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon base. After that, we form equation 1. After that, we take triangle DAC, and after taking triangle DAC, we again apply the tangent rule, and from the help of these two equations, we simplify that question. Okay, so this is very important question for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, so please do more and more practices, dear friends. Now, in next class, we take and solve the same chapters, and in next class we take some other important questions of the height and distance. Okay, so first we revise and solve the NCERT exercise, also solve other sample paper based on that topic. Okay, now thanks to all.